Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you want to see how I made this yam chicken pepper soup, please stay tuned. Guys, for this recipe I'm using mixed seasoning, frozen scent leaf, habanero pepper and half of sweet red pepper, crayfish, spring onions, yam, maggi and calabash, nutmeg, white onions, salt, thyme, hard chicken leg and chicken thighs. So guys, this is our chicken. It is clean and ready. I am going to add our chunky onions. I cut these onions like this because I am going to be, taking it out at some stage. So I've added the onions. I'm going to add 2 maggi. I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add mixed seasoning. So I'm going to cover and allow that chicken to start cooking. We're going to cook the chicken until the chicken is ready. So guys, after some minutes, I want to open this and just give it a good stir. I want all the ingredients to mix very well with the meat. Now I have not added any water. I just want to allow the meat to simmer very well with the seasoning, because this is pepper soup. You want it to be, tasty. You want the seasoning to be in the right place at the right time. So you want this meat to cook very well on its own without any water, because you want it to be very, very seasoned. So yes, we have mixed everything together. I am going to cover that and let it, keep cooking. So now guys, I am going to cut my yam. I'm not going to use all this yam. This is a very big yam, okay? So I'm not going to use all of them. I'm going to cut some of it and leave some of it for later. Hopefully it is not rotten. The only time I'll use all of it is when you start cutting and you find out, oh my god, this yam is not good. But hopefully it is good and we're not gonna use all of them. So yeah, let me cut and wash my yam. So far so good. It is not a bad yam. Oh, look at that. It is very good. This is a good yam. So now I am going to cut it in a very small pieces as well. So guys, this is our yam. It is clean now. I am going to parboil that for like 10 minutes, or once you start seeing the water bubbling, just take it out and rinse it out. So now I'm going to cut my habanero pepper, sweet red pepper, and for my spring onions, I'm only using the green part of it. So guys, guys, I am going to take out my yam out of the stove. It is ready. So guys, now our chicken is ready. I am going to take out the chunky onions out of the chicken. So after that, I'm going to add my yam. Now I am going to add water. I'm going to cover and allow that to simmer for 5 minutes. Now I am going to add my calabash, nutmeg and my crayfish. So I've added my crayfish. I'm adding my calabash, nutmeg. And also I am going to add my peppers, my sweet pepper and my habanero pepper. I'm going to taste for maggi and salt. I'm going to add 1 maggi in here and a tiny bit of salt. I'll mix up. I'll cover and give it another 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, I am going to add my spring onions and my scent leaf. Now guys, I am going to cover. Our pepper soup is ready. I am going to cover and I'm going to give this a few seconds and we'll take it out of the stove. So guys, after a few seconds, it is time to take our pepper soup out of the stove. It is ready. Let me taste it and make sure the maggi and salt is good. Oh, it is tasting so divine and so yummy. I am going to take it out of the stove now. So guys, our pepper soup, our yam chicken pepper soup is ready and it is looking absolutely divine and delicious. I can't wait to dive in, guys. I woke up this morning and it was raining. The only thing in my mind is, where is my pepper soup? Yes, it is ready, guys. It is ready and it is looking so divine. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next one. Bye.